How to redeem Roblox gift cards from Amazon. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, have you received gift cards from Amazon and want to redeem it? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. But first, let me tell you that it is not possible in the Roblox app, so you'll need to go to a web browser. So open up your Google Chrome or your Safari, and on the search bar, type in roblox.com. Tap on it and then tap on the continue in browser option, and then you'll need to make sure that you're logged in into your account. If you're not, log in into your account, and then you'll find three lines on the top left. Tap on it and you'll find gift cards on the bottom. Click on it and you will see redeem card option on the top right. Tap on it and then you'll need to go to your email and find the order number and then tap on it to reveal your PIN code. Now on the code option, you just have to tap on it and you'll need to enter the code received in your mail. And then after you've done that, you just need to hit redeem, and then that's it. After hitting redeem, you should see the Roblox added to your account. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.